Hotpoint dishwasher here. So it's filling up this hot water. So because you usually turn on the hot water first to get salt warms up to sanitize the dishes. So the hot water, so the steam's coming out from this vent here. There we go, steam coming out. So you see the steam? Yeah, the hot water. Listen, the sink here. Try to clean everything out here. Turn it off. This is just a dishwasher. You got the buttons here, so the buttons. You got how to turn off, on, the on. Thing pots and pans. We got a start button too. I think it's this Hotpoint, so you can cook something. Let me see here, it's getting dirty, need to clean it. So this house always get dirty. It's a filthy home, so saw my messy couch there. There go, the dishwasher fills out. Look at the dish. Oh, take a look in there. Wow, the water. See the water in the dishwasher. That's the garbage disposal, right? This machine. There we go. Bye. Goodbye. That smells like fish. Bye. It smells like fish from here.